Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit Kam Snaps with a Kam Snap die for our green machine. Here I have some T5 Kam Snaps and our die sets here. So we'll start off with the different parts. We're going to have our cap to your Kam Snap. See, it's got that spike on there. You'll need 2 of these to complete a set. This is our female socket. And this is our male stud. And I'll show you how we put it all together. So, we take our base die. This will not change at any point. You will only need the one base die. This is going to hold your cap that we saw earlier, which is that round disc. That goes into the bottom. Then you can take either your male or your female end. So I'll take the female socket first, and that's going to go into this top die here. That should just push into place. It will hold it there. We'll screw that into the top of the machine. Take our material here and we'll push down. We will change our top die over to this one. As you can see, it's an inverted version, and this is going to hold our male stud that's here, and again that just pushes up and the die should hold it into place. Screw that into the top. We'll take our second cap for the set, and that goes onto the base. Take our material again, place it over the top of the cap and compress down. And there's the male end done.